Asna Bruno Chiagozie and Ngwu on behalf of Obioma at Heart Club. I never sympathize with Obioma and the family of late Igwe. Igwe is our own. During his coronation, we participated fully. After his coronation, we were together. In fact, I did Igwe Rokoro one-on-one, and he gave us every massive support I needed. It's a painful loss to us and to the entire Obioma. And on behalf of Obioma at Heart, with our members, including the President, Etim Harrison Eze here, I now see the family. I now console with the family and say they should take heart. His presence, PG, although we see you and we say, let's take heart. Igwe is for all of us, and the death affected all of us. And Obioma at Heart, as a club, all they want is development of Obioma. So the death is painful to all of us because Igwe is our close father and friend. So we sympathize with the family and we say, take heart. God bless us all.